subscribe our channel. Today I will show you some exclusive designer Nakshi Katha hand embroidery sarees. The first saree, see the combination. It's a pretty combination of orange and peach. Very nice combination. And the all over the saree you will get this design. This is the pallu portion. The price is, the price is 8,000. See, all over the pallu is a fully hand katha stitch, and all over the body you will get this running stitch. The fabric is pure Gachi Tasar. The fabric is pure Gachi Tasar, Gachi by Gachi, silk mark certified. See the combination. It's a combination of peach and orange. Beautiful combination. Very unique, very classic. This is the first fold. And this is the second fold. So divas, all over the saree you will get these running stitches. And this is the blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. Wow. Very nice color combination. See, all over the saree you will get this border. I am showing you in. See. So the price is 8,000, all over pure Gachi Tasar Katha embroidery. The second one is Tasar, not pure Tasar, it's a blended Tasar. If you want this work in blended Tasar, the price will be like 8,500 or 8,800. So we have to cut the cost and see. Wow, it's a very nice saree. It's a, see, and all over the saree you will get the Shojni Katha, the Nakshi Katha. This is called Nakshi Katha. All over saree you will get this design. Let me drape you for. Wow, it's a very unique design. Very unique design. You hardly find anywhere. The motif of Nakshi Katha, the price is 6,800. The motif of Nakshi Katha is to bring something new in front of you, so that you will get your desired design in sarees. The price is 6,800. Corner to corner, all over the saree will get this design. Now comes another 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. The price is 7,500. See this saree. This is a smarter saree. Very smart. This is the pallu design or achal design, and same the blouse. This is the blouse, and I will show you. See. Wow. And all over the saree you will get this design. You have to check the border of the saree also. In the border portion also you will get all over katha. See the stitching portion. It's fully katha stitch. The price is 7,500. This is the blouse. This will come in the blouse. The border has been done katha, and in the body we have keep it simple so that the color of the blouse will strike out. Okay, the price is 7,500. Wow, now see this beauty. Wow, very nice color combination, and so the design. See the design. All over we have done net design with katha stitch embroidery, and in the both the border you will get this heavy floral design. So it's a combination of geometric and a floral design. This design will go all over your saree, and the color is a peacock blue or turquoise blue or teal blue, whatever you understand your type. See. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? This is the pallu design, and all over the sari you will get this katha design. Wow. Very nice color combination. It's a turquoise blue. So the divas who can't follow my live, can't get any saris from my live, so check our YouTube only. So these exclusive saris are for them only. So grab it. If you want to book any sari, you have to WhatsApp us on the given number below in the screen. The price is, let me tell you the price. The price is 8500. The price is 8500. It's an exclusive one. And let me show you the blouse. Fabric is pure Bangalore silk. See the color. This is the plain color of the sari. And on this color we have done all over katha stitch. This is the blouse piece. The price is 8500. Material pure Bangalore silk. Now this rose design sari, it's a Shujni Katha sari. All over we have done Shujni Katha or Nokshi Katha on blended tasar. The price is 6800. The price is 6800. This design is most demanded design in Katha stitch. The rose and the bird design. Wow. See the combination. Price is 6800, and you will get all over Shujni Katha design. In the base material you can check, there we have used chiffon thread to do the Nakshi Katha or Shujni Katha. Yes, this is the look. In the all corner to corner design you will get this design. Okay, and this is the blouse. The blouse. The price is 6800. Now another pure Bangalore silk sari. The price is 7500. Wow. Very nice color combination. It's a pretty multi-color. All color you will get in this sari. There is multi-colors like pink shade. There are 4 to 5 shades of pink in one sari. And 4 to 5 shades of blue, green, even peach, even turquoise, rani. I don't think any color left in this saree we haven't used. See, the price is 7500. The design we name it lotus design. The fabric is pure Bangalore silk and the price is 7500. Now see this black beauty, the black and white. This is perfect for black lovers. Black and white. Wow. All over the saree you will get this fish folk design. All over your saree you will get that fish folk. It's a folk design. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7500. This is not corner to corner design. This is a all over design. In the pleat portion you will get 24-inch border. See. Okay, the price is 7500. Now another pure Gachi Tasar dyed. And see the combination. Wow. Very nice color combination. Those who missed our this saree in our live shows, they can book it. Because all the time it get booked. See the pattern. This is a double skirt border. In the upper yoke, you will get 18-inch border. Same in the lower yoke. So all over the saree will go like this. Price is 8000. The price is 8,000. Material is pure Gachi Tasar, and we have dyed the material. Then we have done the Katha work. Very nice color combination. The color is not bright. It's a very nice sober red. And I'm showing you the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Okay, the price is 8,000. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Okay, now I will show you my sari. See the color, very nice color combination. It's a perfect Rani. It's a perfect Rani pink, and the color we have used is a light grey and a white. The price is 7,500. See the pallu, it has a big pallu. I mean, very big and very intricate. This type of katha, we call it Meenakari katha. Okay, and this is the lower border. It has a paisley design, and in the upper yoke you will get this design. And see, this is the pallu. Very gorgeous, very pretty design. And the price is 7,500. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Now another silk tasar material. See this color combination and the concept. In the pallu design, you will get all over this fishbone stitch, and in the lower border you will get this geometric design. First we have dyed and block printed the fabric. Then we have done the katha stitch. Wow. See, the blouse is very unique. So the pallu. Close up. I have to show the blouse and the pallu also. See the pallu design. It has a all over intricate fishbone design in the pallu or the aanchal, all over. See, and see the blouse also. Same in the blouse you will get this design, and all over the sari it's a fully katha stitch. In the both the border, all over katha stitch. Only in the middle part we have done block print. The price is 7,500. Wow. Now another very demanded combination, and the sari. See the color. It's a pretty turquoise blue. It's a pretty turquoise blue. Wow. See. Very smart sari, because the aanchal is a stripe one, and all over the body you will get this floral design. The material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's a 3-ply Vishnupuri Katan silk. Very high quality silk mark you will get on each sari. All saris are silk mark certified. Shipping is free. Shipping is free. If you want to book any sari, you have to WhatsApp us with the screenshot of the sari. See the work quality. Wow. And check the pallu design or the aanchal design. All over your border you will get this katha. Very smart. So matlab color bhi or design bhi. Very smart design. The price is 7,500. Now see this beauty. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. It's a pure Gachi Tasar. Dyed Gachi Tasar. Wow. Wow. The price is 8,500. Let me drape first for you. It's perfect for any kind of occasion. It's a tasar and a red. It's not a very bright red. It's a very sober, very elegant. The red is very elegant, not very striking. And we have used multicolors to make it more gorgeous. See. Wow. The price is 8,500. Yes. See the close-up of the stitching quality. Very intricate work. Very nicely done. All are multicolors. There is no black used, so you can use it in any occasion. No black thread has been used, and this is the blouse of the sari. Okay, the price is 8500, pure Gachi Tasar. Now see this design. It's a lotus design, very freshly launched design. Wow, pure Gachi Tasar. The price is 8000, pure Gachi Tasar. Those who want to avoid red, this is for you. It's a combination of Rani and the black. It's a combination of Rani and black on pure Gachi Tasar material, and see the design. Wow, very nice design, very nice, very natural design. The price is 8000. So divas, very much thank you for all your support till today, and we expect more support from you because we are very much dependent on you and our Karigar also. Do subscribe our channel, and if you want to book any sari from our Nakshi Katha, please do WhatsApp on the given number.